Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming 3 essentials: app up to date, device biometrics enrolled, and your EasyPaisa PIN at hand. Open the EasyPaisa app and log in with your PIN. Once done, go straight to the profile or settings icon. Tap Security or Login Settings to reveal biometric options. You're starting the flow now, so you don't have to backtrack. Make sure to allow any permission prompts when they appear so the app can access biometric hardware and complete the handshake with your device. Now you'll enable biometrics. Choose fingerprint or Face ID from the security list and toggle it on. The app will ask you to confirm using your EasyPaisa PIN first. Enter it to validate your identity. After PIN confirmation, perform the biometric scan your device requests so the app can register that gesture locally. Once the scan succeeds, the app will show a confirmation. Make sure you mark biometric as your quick login method if offered. This ties your account to the phone's secure element for faster logins. Complete setup by logging out and testing a biometric login to verify everything works in real conditions. If the biometric prompt doesn't appear or fails, recheck app permissions and re-enroll your fingerprint or face in phone settings, then repeat the enable steps. Make sure your screen and sensor are clean and dry to avoid scan errors. If problems persist, such as repeated authentication errors, contact EasyPaisa support and provide device model, OS version, and app build so they can trace and fix account-specific issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.